depths of hell, then you wouldn't know what it's like to be her age.
Yo guys, it's me here. I'm back on the channel, and today I have a new unboxing. I have just gotten the Mugen Seiki MBX8 Eco Team Edition. So the only reason why I'm getting this now is because coronavirus happened and I wasn't able to get an e-buggy before. But a little update with the Nitro, I guess. I think it's been giving me crap for so long for this past year, and I wanted to get something new. So something a little bit easier, you know, a little bit less work. So let's waste no more time and let's get into it. Alright, so seal's broken. Let's pull it out. So underneath this, we have it right there. It's upside down. Let me flip that around. Maybe that's better. Alright. MBX8 Eco Team Edition. So we're gonna be a little bit faster on the track, I guess. So let's bring it out of the box. Alright, so here it is, getting a better look at the box. MBX8 Eco, and a little bit of text down here. Box art looks really good. You know, it's basically what you'd expect. Today's scale 4-wheel drive electric car. Let's break the seals and see what we get. So the first thing I noticed when I opened the box is the body, obviously, the same one that comes with the MBX8 Nitro. Sorry if that wasn't all in frame, but very nice. I'm gonna try to keep this in a clean area, even though this place isn't really free from dirt. But I have the wing and the stickers and decals, which I might put one sticker on it, but you know, whole bag full of parts as you'd expect. Got your shocks in here, you know, got all your fluids and greases and whatnot, all your drive shafts. And for the coup de grace, I guess, here is the chassis. This thing is extremely light. It's way lighter than I would actually think it is because I'm used to heavy chassis. You know, all your nice fine cutouts, all your nice bends. Very nice, very nice. I'm probably gonna get a skid plate for this. Just gotta get one from A-Main. Forgot to get that, but oh well. It depends on how fast I finish building this thing. But here's the manual. I'm probably gonna start building this thing tomorrow because, like, I don't know. I'm gonna be racing tonight. And I just got back from the gym, so like, you know, worn out. So yeah, that's basically all that's in here for now. You know, there's nothing really not all that interesting, but you know, it's here now. I'll definitely make, I'm gonna try to do a live build, but I said that last time and I didn't do it. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna be streaming on my phone if I do. So that'll be interesting to see. Everyone who went out to the Wednesday night race, that was awesome, dude. Loved it. Anyway, anyway, that's all I got for you guys right now. Give me some video ideas in the comments because I'm kind of out of them. And it's summertime now, so I have way more time to do videos and stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.